Hey everyone. Okay, so this is just a little demonstration of how to use Microsoft Lens. All right, so now when you're using Microsoft Lens, one of the things I like to use is I like to use the whiteboard function when I'm taking scans of images here. So for example, I'm going to take a shot of this text, and you see how the red line, orange line I should say, goes around the document itself? So when you take the shot, what it's now going to do is it's going to show you the area of interest, right? You can actually adjust these things to make sure that we got the right spot. Then when you hit done, it should convert it to a nicely organized flat image. Now, do you see how by selecting the whiteboard option, it makes it really stand out nice and clear? Now, there's a little bit of distortion here, so you can experiment with it. So if it doesn't come out exactly the way you want, you can use the other functions as well. But the key thing is, it straightens it out like this. So you don't want to just take it as a photo, you want to actually take it as an actual whiteboard or document scan, and it should fix all the distortions for you as well. Of course, the better you organize and line up the picture, the better the result will be. So we're going to try this again. This time I'm taking it from a slightly different angle so there's less distortion. Now we're going to try also the document as well instead of the whiteboard scan. So again, we adjust our borders and it looks like it's pretty good. And when we hit done, as you can see, it does a pretty good job. Now you still have the option of some filters here. So you can then convert it into black and white 2. So this one, higher contrast, a little bit less contrast, grayscale. So you have some options with filters, and this will really clean things up and also makes it much easier to mark when you submit work.